Working with vPod Pro and iSee and creating a point in a database, a brand new database. To continue, we have created a database in machine 1, and now we need to add points. So we can either do this two ways. We can add a sibling node, which is a machine, or we can add a child node, and this would be the point. When we come to the point, we'll just leave it as point 1. And with the vPod Pro, we have some limitation as far as what we can do because it's automatic. So we can choose overall acceleration, velocity, or displacement. And all of the time waveform and spectrum, all that information is done for you. For acceleration, we can display units in either Gs or meters per second squared. Displacement, mils or microns. Temperature, we can choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm from the United States, we'll use Fahrenheit. For all you other people out there, you can use Celsius. Method of detection, we have RMS, peak to peak or peak. And in displacement, we have peak to peak, again, RMS or peak. At this point, we've added all this information in here. So when you put your position on the machine, we have point 1. You set your accelerometer on there, and it's going to measure overall displacement, bearing, time waveform, power spectrum, substrum, demodulation, and temperature. Now, if I want to add a second point on this machine 1, I can add another child node, and this will come up with point 2. And again, maybe this time I want to do overall acceleration, and I just click add, and that's where that is. At this point, if I have my database that I want, I can just right click, copy to route, and it will say to new route. So in this case, I want to create to a new route, and I'm going to call this demo for video. Hit OK. And there we have our 2 points. At this time, what the user can do is click on the route button up here, select the route that they want, and then download it to their device, which would be the vPod Pro. Once you've finished taking the data, you can connect back to the computer, and then you just push upload from device, and it will populate the same information from the route to the database. The next time that you have to do a route, all you have to do is just click on route, download to your device, run the route, and then bring it back into the database where it will log that information. The best way to understand this is that the database is where you create your points, create the parameters for the measurement, and it's the keeper of data of your measurements. Once that's done, we have the ability to do other things with this database. And in fact, you can do some review of this information, do historical trends, and things like that.